Good evening, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Now, I don't usually film at night, but I just felt like making a Christmas Twinchie. And I cut out all my little papers, and as you can see, I tried something different over here, and that was little designs in each square with a marker, and it apparently showed through. But this is the Christmas paper that I'm using, and I think there may end up being some little things that I can cut out to put on. And actually, I think I might cut out a few more. I want to have a different one in each, a different background in each square. Alright, I have enough of my squares cut out, and you know, I don't like the way this looks, so I think I'm just going to skip that page. Look, it came all the way through here even, so I don't think I'll be using those markers again. But what I am going to do is lay out my design now, and then we'll glue it all down. Trying not to get all the same color in next to each other, you know? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it looks. They're like pink and light purple. Blue. Let's put a blue one there. There. It's so hard. They're all so similar, you know? I don't know. Okay. We have this one. That's different. The mitten. No. The mitten. Snowflakes. Christmas cookies. Santa. And lollipops. I think that looks pretty good. So, I am going to take them in order. And we'll glue them all down. And then I think that's all I'm going to do for tonight. I'll come back again on another day, probably tomorrow, and do like focal points. So I think I'm going to get a piece of paper to glue down my squares. I don't want to get glue on the rest of my pages, which is what I usually do. So I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe, warm, and dry. We have had another snowfall, and it's been very windy today. And our son and grandson stopped by for a little while this afternoon. So that was nice. He just played with Play-Doh. He's been obsessed with our grandson, not our son. He's been obsessed with skeletons since he was a skeleton for Halloween. And he wanted us to make skulls and bones, I think I'll put it this way, out of Play-Doh. So that was kind of funny. There's Santa. Candy. Let's see. I don't know if I do want them in this order. Is this the order I have them in? I don't want all the pinks together and all the blues together. Okay. Next line. So, do you guys have a favorite Christmas movie that you watch? That is the next prompt in my December daily, is Christmas or not Christmas movies, but was it holiday movie? Holiday movies, yeah. So, I'll have to figure that one out. I think I'm going to put the new one that I just watched that I really liked, the Nutcrackers. It's got, Ben Stiller in it. It's pretty funny. And some newcomer kids. But it's a cute story, and I really liked it. My daughter went to go see the Christmas pageant with one of her staff, so she was happy. I've been wanting to see that one too, but I don't know if I'll get the chance to do it, to be honest. So many other things going on. Oh, that one's a little bit too long. I'm going to have to cover that one up a little bit. And this one. Okay. I'm having trouble getting my corners to stay down. Maybe I should have just put them on one by one. Okay, there's this. And, no, I thought I had these in order, but I don't want all the blues on top of each other. This one I forgot has to move up. This one is going to go right here. Oops. I think I might want to do it this way. I think it fits better. Alright. I think I should have done them all this way. I was trying to save time. It did not work in my favor. There. Because a lot of the corners are not staying down. I really don't want them on top of each other either. But, yeah, even with doing it like that, the corners are still popping up. Oh boy. Well, I'm going to fix my corners, and we will resume doing this after I figure out what my focal points are. Some of them I might not want to cover up. Alright. Alright, so this is what this looks like so far. as you can see, I cut a lot of things out of these tags to fit on here. This coffee, or this cocoa cup, a lollipop, Santa and his sleigh. I think that's it. I think, oh, it's this Santa too. And I see that I actually put tape over his his head. Oh well. Anyway, I also have these two little pieces of candy that I was thinking maybe about putting right here. And then I don't know, like I'm not sure I want to cover that up. I don't know if I want to cover that up, but I ended up not having enough of this to really finish. So we went to go visit our friend in the hospital. He actually broke his back a couple weeks ago, but he's doing really well. And then after that, we went to Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and I found this, so I got these because I thought they would be good for the Twinchies, but I could not find any Christmas stickers anywhere that I could have put on here. So what I think I'm going to do is ink around. I've been inking around all of these in black so they try to stand out a little bit more. I'm going to glue these down, and then I'm going to look around and see what else I have. I don't think I have much, though, to be honest, that I can glue onto these things, but I was really counting on getting some stickers. But I could get like a pack of just candy canes or just little Santas, but I didn't want every single one to be the same, you know, so I did not get any. Although I could have got a couple, I guess. It would have been okay to just use some of them. But I didn't. They were also very expensive, too. I do have, like this. I could probably put one of these on. And then what else did I have? Snowflakes. I could put a snowflake on one. That I definitely could do. Let's get this one. I don't want that part of it, though. I could put this somewhere, like maybe not on the snowflakes. I think actually either this one, or this one. I think there is like a page like this that I might be able to cut out a couple more things. So I will keep that in mind. But I'm wondering if I really do want to put one of the candy canes on there or not. But I definitely do want to put snowflake. On the way home from Albany, it was sunny. It was sunny all day. And I just closed my eyes for a few minutes, like maybe 5, maybe 10 at the most. And when I woke up, it was like a blizzard. So annoying. This one is actually like almost exactly like the ones on there. I wonder what that would look like. I think that would look okay there. Let's do that. So I got this one and this one and this one. Some of these maybe I'll just try to find some words to put on, but unfortunately, like, these words are too big. So I don't think it's going to be these, unless I cut them out really. I don't know, let's cut Cocoa out and see how it looks on one of them. It might be okay, smaller. Hot cocoa. I don't know. It's like not enough for the words and a picture. You know what I mean? But it wouldn't look too bad, I guess. It would be something anyway. And there were some other words. That's going to be too big unless I put Santa like across. If I can do that. I don't think I want the from. I'll get that cut out. So yes, our friend is doing remarkably well on healing very nicely in just 2 weeks. It happened 2 weeks ago, just before Thanksgiving. So, yeah, there's Santa. I think I could put Santa. Actually, that looks kind of cute. I think I will put that one there. I don't think I want to ink it in black, though. I think it stands out just fine. So put that down. I did notice, you know, the tape is over some of the things. Not sure about the hot cocoa yet. Happy Holidays might work. Might work. I might have to separate them. Hey, that's not too bad. Is it too big though? No? I don't know. It's not really too big. I'm just not sure how I like it. Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. I don't like how this cocoa looks so straight. How does that look? Hot cocoa. Actually, some of these I don't think I'm going to want to cut up. I think I'll just go ahead and put, whoops, hot should go on top. Hot cocoa there. And Happy Holidays there. Because they are so close in color, I'm going to do this inking on this one. So that helps fill in some of the gaps. What did I do? Was I going to put it like that, I think? I think so. Well, that one's like that too. Maybe I should switch it up a little. There. That's good. And then hot cocoa, in which I am also going to ink. Okay, there we go. Hot cocoa. All right. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for today. If I come up with anything else that I want to put on it, but I think probably the only other one I might want to put something on is this one here, and maybe that one, because I like these designs. Maybe that one, I'm not sure. And we already have a cocoa cup, so maybe on that one. And then of course these are almost exactly the same, but that's all right. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you are doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.